Piapples. Piapple. Right. We gotta we gotta make it civil, right? Alright. No. Stop it. What's going on? No. What are you doing? Got this little stupid dog. Right. Right here. Oh my god, this lag. This lag is no. No. Nah. Bam! Bam! Thank you. All the lag stuff. No. Bam. No. Ha. What are you doing? What are you doing? That's my phone. Swimming. Yeah. I'm not good at this game. So like, you stop. You stop. Whoa. Right. Exactly. What are you doing? What? Stop. No. 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 What are you? I don't like this. What? No. No. This can make you rage so much. Yeah. Tell them, dog. Right here. Oh. Whoa. Oh. Oh. Get shredded. Get roasted. All you want to do is right here. Exactly. Exactly. Stop trying. Oh, wait. Where are you climbing? Where's climbing? What do I have? I want to climb. Dang it. Hey, stop. My swimming. Swimming's pretty good, I think. Ha. What is this dog's problem? Whoa. What? No. What? No. No. I don't believe it. Dog. What? No. Stop. How do I do that? What? Stop playing. Dog. No. I don't understand. Are you good? How is that fair? Whoa. Whoa. Calm down. Calm. What? Why? Let's just enter a stupid race. What? Yes. Go. Go. I already have energy, that's for sure. Get yourself some stupid energy. Right there. Alright. I don't like this. Wait. Running. Okay? Yes. Ha. This dog is so distracting and I don't like it. Whoa. Yeah. Say hi to the camera. I'm so cringy, okay? Don't bother me. Here we go. Let's enter race. Green Valley. Green Valley. Oh my god. Why is she licking my arm? What are you doing? Calm down. down. I might win. What? No. Right there. Where I can't climb? No. Okay, so yeah, I'm doing this. My name is G-Dog. Um, because, skip. I want to do this so I could, actually, hold it. I could, become a god at climbing. And yeah, the screen just got so dark. $1. I don't have monies. I like climbing. Get sped. All I know is if I can't beat it right now, I can't beat it ever. Come on. Get fast. Where are you at? Sped. Let's do this. Let's get the pace. Let's see. Can I get to 6,666? Bet. Bet I can't. What? Yeah. No. 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 But I did 10 levels. Like a god, church. No. Let's get to. Let's get it. Bro. What? Where is all the climbing space? I don't know. 3,000? Is that worthy? Or is this just game? Ooh. What am I doing? What? Are you high? Honestly. Are you? What was that? My dog. My dog. Ah! Ah! Oh my god. Okay. Let's do this, bros. Why can I not jump at all? My jumping. Ooh, ooh. Nah, nah, nah. Mm, I'm feeling flying. No, 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 no. Are you Gucci? Uh, 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 no, Nani. My least. Are you? My least favorite is flying because it's so impossible. No. What? Alright, let's swim. Swimming is for nerds. And I'm a nerd. So yes. Let's get to 6,660. Oh my god. Whoa. No, I didn't mean to. Space. Okay. Ha. The god of all gods is right here. See that? See that? You're salty. No. Let's see how far down you could go. Okay, that's it. Right there. No. No, I did not. Okay, I'm done. I'm done playing around. Dog over here. Socks in my face. No. Boy, calm down. This is distracting. You know that? No. Shut up. Yeah. Bro, calm down. Calm down. What? I want this. Right here. Boy. Come on. Big fella. Exactly. Calm yourself. This background. Doggy. Doggo. Doggo. I'm gonna call her Doggo now. You guys call her Doggo too. Are you good? Stop it. Okay. I can't buy anything. It's not letting me. Stop. 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 What? What are those? Stop trying. Calm. 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 What? Are you high? Okay, let's just win this thing. Right here. What? Oh yeah, I forgot. You need some milk. You need some other milk. For more. Calm. Does this happen to you guys? What are you doing? There we go. There we go. What is your problem? Watch them win. Watch them. Calm down. The boy. I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win. Exactly. Don't even try. Stop trying. Stop trying. Calm. You could do it. Oh wow. Oh wow. Wow. Yeah. Yeah. I got something. Okay. Yeah. Calm. Be a good girl for once. Once in your life. For once in your life. What? No. No. I think I would just want to do this. What? What? No. No. You don't try me. You don't try me. You? Really? Exactly. Stop trying. No. No. Hey, that's my calm. Don't ask. Don't ask. Let's see. I'm so smart. How long is this video? I don't know. All I know is it's very boring. Very boring! I'm gonna tell you to skip to a certain time. skip to a certain time. I don't care. I don't care. Get out of here. Running. Calm yourself. Come on now. What? Do you want to cause some trouble? Exactly. Get out of here. Be the boss. Don't try me. Try me. Try me. Let's make him faster than Usain Bolt. Come on. You're making me so mad. You know that? He's just a little birdling. Okay. Let's go over here. Dude. Who wants to see me dominate in this climbing? I'm an Olympic climber. Go away. I didn't mean for you to come back. I'm just kidding. I like you, dog. Let's make you the Olympic. The Olympic. Silly. No! I'm so far behind. I'm in 3rd place. Calm down, big fella. Oh, I took 1st place because of that. My flying is so good. Look at this. I'm an Olympic swimmer. Watch this. Watch this. See? I'll be finished by the time green gets up there. See? What are you doing? Subscribe to PewDiePie. Get out of here. Get E-Trade. Oh. Shop. Go to the shop. Broski. I am the club. Look what I've become. Actually, look what I've become. Alright, I'm gonna skip ahead to when I race again. And I'm gonna become Olympian. Calm yourself down. Calm yourself. Right now. Right, alright. Basically how this is gonna work. Oh wait, no. Everything's good but flying. Flying, I'm pretty sure, is just gonna hold me back. So yeah. Let's just give it a try. Like, oh no. Oh, I'm that guy way ahead. I'm gonna say, if I was in the last place, that was easy. That was easy. Don't go so easy on me. You know who's best. Right here. So you wanna win. You wanna win. What is in there? No, but you can't. Why? Yeah. See, my flying sucks compared to everyone else. But am I supposed to catch up, right? Right? No, okay. Alright. I'll take that as a no. Yeah. I'm sad. Yeah. How about that? So now, right now, I'm going to get everything else to 50. So yeah. Now, okay, get out of here. Now, I hope I could run good. Yes! Calm down. Yeah, why not? Yeah, my flying sucks. Get out of here. You better catch up. Sped. 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 Stop. Stop it. What? No. 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 Okay, so yeah, I think that 20 now could beat them. These little stupid kids. Because, yeah, no. Now fly, little ducky. Fly. Fly! You can do it, you can do it, you can do it. At least I landed first, because look, now I could catch up. See, if I could catch up, I'm God. No, third. At least I'm third. Right? Alright, alright, alright. I'm done. I'm going all out. At least I'm not fourth, though. So fast. So fast. No. No, 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 no. What? No, no. What? Okay, bros. Broskies. This shall work. 30. I don't like this, though. You better. See? Right there. 35. Orange is a little fast, but what are you doing? Exactly. See? See? That's godly. That's godly. What are you doing? Why is orange actually about to get first? Okay. Okay. Now let's enter this next race after this with a bunch of this stuff right here. And we're going to have to make a huge comeback or barely make it. I don't know what's going to happen. What's going to happen? Tweet, tweet, tweet. Okay. Let's enter that race. Bros. Wait. I want to fly. I want to fly first. So then I could, yeah, maybe sped. Look at that. Look at that. Fly, right? Right. Right. Can you climb? No, you don't. How does one go? What is that? Graphic. How much ahead am I? They're not even in the screen. Oh, okay, never mind. Just kidding. They're still going. We're Olympians. First.